Namaste viewers, welcome to New Jyotish, your go-to channel for astrological insights and predictions. Today we delve into a burning question. Will India win the ICC World Cup 2023? Let's consult the SAR and find the answers to our question. As of today, India has an impeccable record, winning all 9 out of 9 matches and reigning supreme at the top of points table. But what do celestial bodies say about India's faith in this World Cup? To find out, we turn to Prashna Kundli, and here's what we uncovered. Taking a glance at our Prashna Kundli, we notice a crucial detail. Venus, the lord of both the ascendant and the sixth house, which represents enemies, is debilitated. The grahas in the sixth house, Sun, Moon, and Mars, lack strength. Does this spell trouble for India? It seems like a challenging alignment suggesting potential obstacles in India's path to victory. But as astrologers, we must dwell deeper into the cosmic narrative. Now let's focus on the positive aspects. The Lord of the 10th house associated with profession shows promising strength in its own sign. Additionally, the mutual aspect of the 8th and 12th lords, Jupiter and Mars, forms a powerful Viprit Raj Yoga. This yoga indicates success emerging after facing challenges or even at the expense of others. However, the plot thickens. The absence of connection of Viprit Rajyog with the sixth house combined with a debilitated ascendant and sixth lord raises question about the overall outcome. Now, we are not the experts in Prashna Kundli, but from a basic analysis based on the debilitated positions and lack of planetary strength in key areas, it seems that the celestial alignment is not favoring India's victory in this World Cup. Well, there you have it, folks. But remember, astrology predictions provide insights into the predetermined cosmic conditions surrounding an event. However, it's essential to acknowledge the dynamic nature of reality. In a world where billions of hearts are collectively wishing for success, the sheer power of collective intent has the potential to influence outcomes. What are your thoughts on this analysis? Drop your comments below and let's have a lively discussion. Until next time, keep watching New Jyotish for more intriguing insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Namaste.